In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Shein order history. Let's get started right on your phone. First, open the Shein app. Make sure you're using the official app so the buttons and labels match what you'll see here. Once the app opens, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap the Me tab. It's usually on the right side of the bottom menu and takes you to your personal hub where your account, settings, and purchases are organized. From this page, find My Orders. This section holds every order you've placed. Tap it, then choose View All to expand the full list. You'll now see your complete order history laid out, which makes it easier to pick the exact order you want to remove from your view. Next, select the product inside the order you want to delete. Tapping the product opens the detailed order page. This is where you can see the item, order number, status, and any related options. If your order had multiple items, you're still looking at the order as a whole. Deleting it will remove the entire order record from your order history screen, not just a single item. On the order details page, look for the More option. Depending on your device or app version, this might appear as the word More, 3 dots, or a small menu icon. Tap it to expand additional actions that aren't shown on the main order screen. These extra options typically include ways to manage or tidy up your order list. Now choose Delete Order. When you tap Delete Order, you may see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm if you're sure. This action removes the order record from your visible history in the app, which is helpful if you're cleaning up old purchases or prefer a more streamlined list. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Deleting an order from your history does not cancel an order, issue a refund, or change delivery. It only removes the record from your order history view within the app. Also, some orders, especially those that are still processing or actively shipping, might not show the delete option yet. In that case, the option typically appears once the order is completed or otherwise eligible for removal. And remember, you'll need to repeat these steps for each order you want to remove, since the app handles deletions one order at a time. That's it. Open the Shein app, head to Me, go to My Orders and View All, open the product within the order, tap More, and then Delete Order. Follow those steps whenever you want to clean up your Shein order history.